Hi! So I know it's super early, it's barely even September, but I'm just so excited for Halloween season, and what better way to celebrate the fact that we're now starting to come into the autumn season than by creating my very first Halloween look. I chose this one because it's quite simple to create. A lot of the items you'll probably already have in your makeup collection, so it's quite inexpensive. Yeah, if you want to know how to create this look, then stay tuned. Hi! So I've already done my base, I've put some foundation on, I've done a little bit of contour and done my brows and primed my eyes with concealer. So I'm now ready to get right into the eye look. How I'm going to start this off is starting with the spider's body, which will be on the eyelid area. So in order to get a really deep black colour, I'm going to start off with just a pencil eyeliner, and I'm literally going to draw this on in the shape that I want the spider's body to be. And then I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush. So this one is the Peaches and Cream PC11 brush, and I'm literally just going to blend the edges. This will look super messy, but that's okay. It does not need to be perfect at all. I'm now going to go in with that same Peaches and Cream brush and just any matte black eyeshadow. The eyeshadow I'm using is from the Smashbox Double Exposure palette, and you're literally just packing this colour on top of that pencil.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting.
You're only really taking this colour right to where your crease is, so you don't want it too big, you don't want it taking over the full eye space. So you want to keep it quite tight on the lid. And then once you've done this, we're going to do the lower lash line as well. So again, going back in with your pencil. And then again with that matte black shade. Now, just to soften the edges slightly, you're going to take any matte warm brown tone. Again, I'm just going to use one from this palette. So I'm going to use this colour right here, and probably a little bit of a mix of this one too. And you're just blending out the edges with that.
Looks like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning.
At this point, just wipe away any fallout that you've had from the eyeshadow. If you've had quite a lot, you can always tidy up with a little bit of concealer, but this isn't too bad. Next, you're going to go back in with your pencil eyeliner, and you're going to start to draw out the legs of the spider. Now, for this, you want to make sure that you're not just drawing straight lines, that you're showing the kind of joints so that the spider looks as though it's popping out of your eye. So really, you're just going to use the pencil just to trace where these lines are going to be, and then we're going to go in with a liquid eyeliner just to strengthen up these lines and make them a bit bolder. Now we're going to go in with the liquid eyeliner.
There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. Looks like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Now, as you can see, I've left some gaps in between the legs, and this is so that I can go in with a white liquid eyeliner and add in some highlights as well, just to make this pop and stand out a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in some of the areas that I've left blank with black, and just kind of keep some of the spaces where I know I want the white.
Bullets will bring back desire. Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone.
Now we're going in with the white liquid liner just to add those highlights to the legs.
Anger, I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Now, if you've made any little mistakes, don't worry too much. If you take a little cotton bud, like a Q-tip, and just go around where you've made your mistake and then go over with a little bit of concealer, it's easy enough to hide.
Like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger.
Now lastly, we're now going to put in the shadow, which really makes this look stand out. So what you've got to decide now is from what direction your light's coming in. So I'm going to do mine where the light's coming from this direction. So naturally all my shadows will be here, underneath where the legs are. I'm going back in with that matte black shade and possibly a little bit of this grey as well. I'm just going to mix them on a really small brush. And again, you're just really lightly putting this colour on so it looks like shadow.
I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
What you're also wanting to do is make sure that your shadow is much darker right in where the leg starts and fades out and meets the leg at the very end.
She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. Looks like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now.
So this is the final look. I've added a little bit of red lipstick just for dramatic effect, and I think it looks really cool. It's so quick and simple, you don't need to be perfect with it, and I think it looks pretty effective. So I think what's so great about this look is the fact that a lot of these items you'll already have in your makeup collection if you do like makeup and you are into it. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye!